Hi, my name is Jenna, and I'm going to be walking you guys through how to use the Outcomes Campus Labs platform. First off, when looking to sign in, you're going to visit hawaiicc.campuslabs.com. Once you've accessed this URL, you're going to go ahead and log in with your UHID. Your page is going to look a little bit like this. So again, you're going to log in with your UHID, so the same username and password that you would typically use to log into your UH account. Now that you've logged in to the Outcomes site, you can navigate through academic years using the top left-hand navigational area. I'm going to use 2017-2018 for this example. You can also adjust terms by using the term dropdown. I'm going to use fall 2017 for this example. From here, you can use the navigational bar on your left-hand side to find your course. Now that we've navigated to our course, we're going to select a course learning outcome to enter in our data. I'm going to start using course learning outcome 2. So I'm going to click on the course learning outcome. And from here, I'm going to click on assessment. Please don't edit this course learning outcome or toggle the measure to off or use the relate option. We're really just going to focus and use the assessment option. From here, we're going to follow the instructions below each field in order to create our assessment plan template. So we're going to enter a short description. We're going to identify the assessment tool. And finally, we're going to indicate an assessment date. Again, please follow the instructions below each field. Once we've entered our assessment information, we're going to go ahead and click on the Submit button on the bottom right-hand corner. Now that we have an assessment entered for Course Learning Outcome 2, we are also able to add attachments. We're going to click Attachments to upload any kind of required and optional supporting documents. These could be things like assignments, exams, rubrics, scoring guides, or surveys. You can either drop a file in this open area or click to upload. We also are able to enter in a comment for our uploaded document. And then you'll select Upload if you did add a comment. You're also able to edit this document, remove the document, or add additional documents. I'm just going to use the one document, and so I'm going to select Close. You'll notice that there's an attachment when next to attachments is a little red box with a 1 indicated. That indicates that I have one item attached. Now that we've added our attachment, we can go ahead and add our results. So in order to enter our assessment strategy information and results data, we're going to select Add Results. On this page, we can indicate our scale type as well as our scoring type. If we do toggle to pass-fail, this is going to be us using a binary scale, really just indicating how many students met or did not meet this outcome. Additionally, for scoring type, I can use percentage or points. Next, we're going to enter the minimum score for each achievement threshold. So I'm going to enter 60, 75, and 90. I've now indicated to the system that if a student receives between a 0 and a 59, they have not met this outcome. A 60 to 74, they've partially met this outcome. 75 to 89, they have met this outcome. And 90 to 100, they have exceeded this outcome. Next, we're going to enter the number of students in each achievement category. If the number of students in achievement category is 0, then you're going to go ahead and enter a 0. I'm going to say 5 individuals exceeded, 14 individuals met, 2 individuals partially met, and then 5 individuals did not meet this outcome. Next, we're going to describe the assessment strategy, and we can do this using 4,000 characters. Please follow the instructions below the text box. I'm also going to indicate my scoring method, which I can use the drop-down. Below that, we're going to go ahead and enter in our result analysis and course unit strengths and challenges. Again, you can use 4,000 characters in order to fill out this area, and please follow the instructions below the text box. Finally, we're going to go ahead and enter action items for improvement. Once we've entered our one action item, we can click Create, and this will create a list of action items for us to move forward with. Once we have entered all this information, we're going to go ahead and click Submit. We have now entered our first course learning outcome assessment report. You're going to see a summary of your quantitative results on your right-hand side. To go back to your course list, you're going to go ahead and click Back to List. On this page, you're going to notice a couple of different things. You're going to notice our course learning outcome data was populated within that outcome. And below that, you're going to see that because this course learning outcome is tied to multiple program learning outcomes, those program learning outcomes have also updated. From here, you can go on and continue to add in data for your additional course learning outcomes.